Sponsoring a spouse to move to Canada can seem like a daunting task, but once the application process begins, you will find that the Canadian government provides many resources to help navigate you on the right path. It can take up to a year for the sponsorship application to be approved, but this varies depending on what country you're coming from. Complex family sponsorship applications may take more than the 12-month period because of the following reasons. But first, you must meet these requirements to sponsor a loved one moving into Canada. In Quebec, the process is a bit different. You have to meet the province's own immigration sponsorship requirements after the Canadian government approves you as a sponsor, and the Quebec Ministry in charge of immigration will assess your income. After you have passed the eligibility stage of your sponsorship process, there are 4 steps to follow to get the application started. Step 1. Get the application package. It includes the following. This page contains the link to the basic guide, online application, and the online request for the checklist and forms. Step 2. Pay your application fees. In most cases, your fees will include the following. Here's the usual breakdown of fees. You can pay your fees in different ways depending on the fee type and where you are paying from. Just answer the questions on this webpage to get payment instructions. Step 3. Submit your application. The mailing instructions are in the application guide. You may use a courier service to submit your application, or you can also use regular mail. If an application is returned, it is either incomplete or fees are missing. Step 4. Send additional information during processing. This may include the following. Once you're done with all the steps, you can check your application status on this page. That's it! We hope it helps you and we wish you all the best. This is brought to you by Remitbee, the best way to send money abroad from Canada.